Hello, beautiful people.
Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for watching our video.
Yes.
If this is your first time of tuning in,
Thank you.
thank you. Consider subscribing. As for our returning subscriber, we want to say a very big thank you. So, in today's video, we went out for some little shopping. So,
small shopping.
wanted to do some unboxing. So, Emanuela, please sit here. Let me carry
Philip. This is what we brought for our shopping.
So we went for Emanuela, live there. Come here. So we went for Malcolm shopping and hey, Philip, wait. So we are able to get some items and not just in our local market as well. So this is dishwashing.
Ice cream.
Hey, yes, the ice cream. Oh, Manuela, leave there. Wait. This is the ice cream from Malcolm. Okay. Please, Manuela, go and bring tray. So that yes. Then we got this machine. Okay. Thank you. Put some. Yeah, come. Leave it. Manuela, go and sit down. Go and sit down.
Pineapple.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Pawpaw.
Yeah, I know the kids are starting school tomorrow.
Yeah, so we brought
some plates. Yeah, so this
for Manuela. Manuela likes Tom Tom.
Manuela likes Tom Tom. I don't know why.
Cup. Yes. This is cup. We brought this too. Okay. This is our jug.
Yeah, the jug, the new one. So, viewers, Manuela, come and see it. Wow. Open it. I like this. Philip. Oh, Philip. Philip. You are the owner of this jug. It's Philip. Manuela. Oh yeah. Where's this thing? All right. Please. Hey, the ice cream. Let's take this. Okay. Manuela, leave that. Don't worry. Let's take the ice cream first. Okay. Manuela.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Time for ice cream. Philip.
Manuela.
Philip.
Philip.
Yeah, come and sit. Come close. Philip, are you not in for the ice cream?
Ice cream.
You like ice cream? Manuela, you like ice cream? Auntie. Okay. Philip, that's Philip, you don't like ice cream? Emanuela will finish it too. Mm.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry, don't worry. Philip. Emanuela with ice cream.
Bá ṣe wà nínú mọ́tò Emanuela ice cream. See your mouth like ice cream.
Viewers, it's a very sunny weather.
Yes, so
the weather is too hot. You know.
It's too hot, though.
So we are cooling off with this ice cream. Philip, you are not joining the party.
See, Manuela is taking ice cream.
Manuela will finish the ice cream.
Oh, do Manuela.
Manuela, will you use this spoon? So viewers, thank you for watching. Oh, so, Philip wants to eat.
Viewers, I want to advise you mothers, please keep your baby's pampers. It's very important. Yes. I will do video how to dispose your pampers. It's very easy.
Because these days
these days, some Yahoo they take pampers anyhow.
These days now, they've been
save your children.
So many.
Save your life.
So many people who are going after pampers, diapers. So in our next video, watch out for our next video, how to dispose pampers properly, so that these people will not tamper with the life of
our children.
Tamper with their destiny. I heard they are selling one pampers for 1 million naira.
1 million naira.
Hey, Philip, oh, look at my trousers.
Please, save your children. And
watch out for that video.
I will do how to dispose pampers. It's very important.
Very, very important for the life of your kids. So thank you for watching.
Bye.
Manuela, say bye-bye. Philip, say bye-bye. Bye.